Have you ever heard about ocean acidification? And did you know this condition has occurred in Indonesian Ocean for the last 10 years? Then, what do you think about the impact if this condition keeps going? Let's start with the definition. Tito and Susilo in 2021 defined that ocean acidification doesn't mean that the ocean becomes acidic. However, it is because the pH normal ocean has decreased up to 0.5 from the normal position pH 8.0. The decrease is caused by the effect of free carbon dioxide in the atmosphere that bonded with water in ocean to form carbonic acid. So, this condition creates ocean acidification. As I said earlier, one factor that makes ocean acidification is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide occurs because the fossil fuel burning and forest burning to clear the land. After that, the carbon dioxide will be absorbed by the forest and the ocean. However, their reduction of forest area causes the carbon dioxide less absorbed by the forest and more by absorbed the ocean. So, it gives impact on marine ecosystem. Of course, there are many factors that cause damage on marine ecosystem, but I will focus on the impact of ocean acidification for achieving the third target of 14-point Sustainable Development Goal on life below water. The main point of the third target is decreasing the ocean acidification that gives bad impact on capturing marine fisheries on socio-economic aspect, especially for the fishermen, because ocean acidification happens in exclusive economic zone. Based on Kaunang in 2022, the area of exclusive economic zone is 200 miles from the beach, according to the data of Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries. This zone is the source of the total capture fisheries production. Ladies and gentlemen, based on the problem, my point of view is ocean acidification can be prevented by using 1-3-1 host concept. This concept reduces carbon dioxide emission to create carbon dioxide absorption in household scale by replicating green open space at urban areas. The objective of this concept is a preventive measure of ocean acidification through artificial and institutional mitigation method. The implementation of 1-3-1 host concept is applied by involving community group with young generation that is actively taking part as the volunteer. First, the young generation will be educated by some experts about ocean acidification and the importance of environmental health. The second one is action. In this part, the young generation will have collaboration with institutions such as Ministry, Environment and Forestry, Republic of Indonesia to plant 1 to 2 trees in home yard. I will show you one simple simulation based on the data of Central Statistics Agency in early 2022. Bogor has more than 1,200 households with an orientation of only 600 households that have a home yard, and the 60% household could plant trees. After that, there will be more than 300 new trees more in Bogor City. As an implementation of artificial and institutional mitigation to reduce the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. For the household that not have yard, they can use rooftop garden to plant trees. As a conclusion, 1-3-1 host is a good concept to reduce the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So, ocean acidification can be reduced. I believe this concept can be applied in Indonesia. Therefore, I will try to implement the idea of 1-3-1 host by strengthening the cooperation in society and government to prevent further ocean acidification. My name is Ivan Taufik Nugraha from College of Vocational Study IPB University. Say thank you.